These little chicken nuggets are absolutely amazing, and they will elevate this classic French dish to the next level. Hey everybody, Johan Nigelsson here, Big Sweet Barbecue. Today we're making Jidori chicken oyster au vin. So chicken oysters are what the French call Sot-ly-laisse, which basically translates to only a fool will leave it behind, are two pieces of chicken sitting here on the back, and the French chefs actually trim that off a lot of times before they butcher the chickens and serve it at the restaurant. And those little nuggets, you take that home and you serve the family. It's that flavorful, it's that good. We're gonna season this with our Big Sweet Barbecue Badass Texas Boost, and then we can set them aside. The chicken oysters are now prepped, so let's start cooking. We're gonna add a pan to a medium hot burner. We're gonna add a little bit of olive oil to the pan. Then we're gonna add half a pound of finely diced duck bacon. We wanna saute this for a few minutes and render out the fats. Then we can remove them from the pan. Next, we're gonna add 2 pounds of quartered white mushrooms. We wanna saute this in the duck bacon fat for a few minutes until they start releasing their liquid and getting a nice brown color. When ready, remove them from the pan. Now we're gonna add the chicken oysters. We're gonna brown these on all sides for a couple of minutes. And of course, we're infusing the pan with a little bit of that chicken fat as well. It smells amazing in the kitchen. When ready, remove them from the pan. Next, we're gonna add 1 finely diced yellow onion. We're gonna add 3 diced carrots. And we also wanna add some mashed garlic. We're gonna cook this until the onion gets translucent and the carrots are starting to soften up. Then we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of sun-dried tomato paste, and we're also gonna add 2 tablespoons of flour. We're gonna stir this for a minute, and now we wanna add half a cup of cognac. We're gonna flambe this to burn out some of the alcohol. Then we're gonna add 2 cups of red wine. We also wanna add 1 cup of really good chicken stock. Next, we're gonna add the duck bacon back to the pan, and we're also gonna add the mushrooms and the chicken oysters. We're gonna season this with bay leaves and some thyme. We're gonna place a lid on the pan, lower the temperature to simmer. Now we're gonna slowly simmer it for about 30 minutes covered. After 30 minutes, we wanna remove the lid, increase the temperature, and now we wanna reduce the stew. When you feel it has the right thickness, we're gonna taste it, season it with salt, and then it's ready to serve. And that is how I make my Jidori chicken oyster au vin. And I think the only thing left to do is to try this and see what it tastes like. It smells absolutely amazing. So here we go. This is so good. It's so flavorful. I really hope you try this at home. Wow. Happy grilling.